Today we are looking at number patterns. Please copy down the standard benchmark indicator on a clean page in your math notebook. The student will investigate and apply strategies to recognize and describe the change between terms in a numerical pattern. Numerical patterns. A numerical pattern is a list of numbers that occurs in some predictable way. Many patterns use addition and subtraction. To find the pattern, write the number that you need to add or subtract to find the next number in the pattern. Example 1. Find the next three numbers in this pattern: 25, 30, 35, 40. Step 1. Determine the pattern. So from 25 to 30, we add 5. From 30 to 35, we add 5. And from 35 to 40, we add 5. Since each number in the pattern is 5 more than the number before, the pattern is add 5. And you do need to check all the way through the numbers they give you because sometimes they mix up the pattern as they're going. Step 2, use the pattern to calculate the next three numbers. So 40 plus 5 is 45, 45 plus 5 is 50, and 50 plus 5 is 55. So the next three numbers in the pattern are 45, 50, and 55. Try it. Find the next three numbers in this pattern: 92, 90, 88, 86. So the first thing we have to do is figure out what we're adding or subtracting. And we know because the numbers are going down, we're subtracting. So from 92 to 90, we have minus 2. From 90 to 88 is minus 2. And from 88 to 86 is also minus 2. So our pattern is subtract 2. So now we need to use it to find the next three numbers. So 86 minus 2 is 84. 84 minus 2 is 82. And 82 minus 2 is 80. For C and D, we need to find the next three numbers in the pattern. So for C, we have 15, 30, 45, and 60. So 15 plus 15 gets us 30. 30 plus 15 gets us 45. And 45 plus 15 gets us 60. So now we need to use that to find the next three numbers in the pattern. So 60 plus 15 is 75. 75 plus 15 is 90. And 90 plus 15 is 105. So for D, we have 24, 21, 18, and 15. So 24 to get to 21 is minus 3. 21 to 18 is also minus 3. And 18 to 15 is also minus 3. So now we need to find the next three numbers. So 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. And 9 minus 3 is 6. Example 2, find the next three numbers in this pattern: 1, 7, 2, 8, 3, 9, 4. So step 1, determine the pattern. So 1 to 7 is plus 6, 7 to 2 is minus 5, 2 to 8 is plus 6, 8 to 3 is minus 5, 3 to 9 is plus 6, and 9 to 4 is minus 5. So the pattern has two steps. It's add 6, then subtract 5. Step 2, use the pattern to calculate the next three numbers. So we ended with minus 5 as our step. So add 6 is our next step. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Then we do 10 minus 5 is 5. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So the next three numbers in this pattern are 10, 5, and 11. For the triad, they want us to find the next three numbers in this pattern: 10, 20, 15, 25, 20, 30. So to get from 10 to 20, we add 10. 20 to 15 is minus 5. 15 to 25 is plus 10. 25 to 20 is minus 5. And 20 to 30 is plus 10. So our pattern is add 10, subtract 5. So we're going to use that to help us find the next three numbers. So we finished with plus 10, so we need to start with subtract 5 as the next step in our pattern. So 30 minus 5 is 25. $25 plus 10 is 35. And 35 minus 5 is 30. All right, for G, we have 5, 4, 9, 8, 13, and 12. So 5 to 4 is minus 1. 4 to 9 is plus 5. 9 to 8 is minus 1. 8 to 13 is plus 5. And 13 to 12 is minus 1. So our pattern is subtract 1, add 5. So we need to come up with the next three numbers. So since we finished with minus 1, we need to go to add 5. So we're going to get 17, because 12 plus 5 is 17. Then we subtract 1 to get 16. And then we add 5 to get 21. For H, we have 6, 4, 8, 6, 10, 8. So to get from 6 to 4, we have minus 2. 4 to 8 is plus 4. 8 to 6 is minus 2. 6 to 10 is plus 4. And then 10 to 8 is minus 2. So our pattern is subtract 2, add 4. So we need to come up with the next three numbers. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So for I, we have 20, 22, 25, 27, 30. So for this one, 20 to 22 is plus 2. 22 to 25 is plus 3. 25 to 27 is plus 2. And 27 to 30 is plus 3. So our pattern is add 2, add 3. So we're going to keep going for the next three numbers. So 30 plus 2 is 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. So for J, we have 60, 50, 45, 35, 30. So 60 to 50 is minus 10. 50 to 45 is minus 5. 45 to 35 is minus 10. And 35 to 30 is minus 5. So our pattern is minus 10 minus 5. So we're going to keep going here. 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 minus 5 is 15. And 15 minus 10 is 5. Please make sure you've copied down all of the work and glue this page in your math notebook.